Okay, so time for the top 10 Uniswap coins for 2021 and beyond. Okay, so let's begin. Value Investor, Uniswap, yearly. And let's see, because this I think should have a lot more alts. Let's take a look. All right, so this is the, okay, so 30% is going towards Ethereum, Synthetics, Leo, and the rest is pretty much stablecoins except for basic attention token. So very, very interesting. So even with this, it pretty much only likes Ethereum, Synthetics, and Leo as the HODLs for anybody who's holding longer than a year in DeFi. So very, very interesting. Let's go to quarterly for the quant grade, which is Value Investor. So for the next 3 months, what is it like? Okay, Ethereum, Pax Gold again, Chainlink, and Leo, and that's pretty much it. The rest are stablecoins. Okay, wow, and the European stablecoins, TASIS. Okay, now going to monthly. Yeah, DeFi, absolutely. Okay, Ethereum, Tether. So same thing, Chainlink, Pax Gold. Okay, so pretty much if you're a hodler, it only likes stablecoins, Ethereum, Pax Gold, and Chainlink. Chainlink is basically your explosive altcoin. Now let's shift to traders. If you're day trading on Uniswap, what is a good day trade portfolio? Okay, all right. So we have Tether, lots of stablecoins, Pax Gold, Uniswap, and Energy. Okay, so only 2 altcoins really, this and this, but okay, so pretty bearish on that. And I think Energy was already up 24%, I believe, if last time we checked. Okay, let's go to weekly for Uniswap. Smash the like button if you're enjoying this live stream, and share this with your friends. Let them know it's Black Friday. Okay, here's Bill's favorite portfolio with lots of alts. So we have Holochain, Augur, 0x, Energy, Status, Maker, then the rest are stable coins. Okay, so this is kind of like I think all these are pretty solid. Holochain has good fundamentals. Energy has been, I think, doing pretty well. Maybe Bill, could you look into Energy from a tier perspective, and we could see where that's going? I think that was kind of turning bullish, if I recall. Then if we go to the monthly, we have Ethereum, 0x, Unibright. Yeah, even this has been going up. Pax Gold, almost 12%. Chainlink, Leo, Nexa for the first time. Augur and stablecoins, Paxos and DAI. Okay, so Bill's gonna look into Energy because that one has been appearing a few times in the trader indices.
Okay, so I'm coming up here now. Okay, so this is interesting in the sense that, you know, it tried to get going, but then it stalled and it's come down into a support zone. All right. Now, when you find something that comes into a support zone, you're looking for some sort of confirmation or a green candle. But in this case, if it shows up in the indices, right, you know, if you're going to buy the dip or try to buy the dip in something, then the indices are telling you where to look if you want to do smaller alts, right? That's how, you know, in other words, I always look at it and I interpret what I see. So when I see the smaller alts in the weekly portfolio, I think, well, you know, maybe there's going to be a rally and for a week. So I can't look beyond a week, but say for
actually,
a week.
Bill, sorry. I'm not energy with the ends in an I. I think
Okay,
it's
sorry.
NRG.
Got
See
it.
that one. Yeah, apologies.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Got
Too
it.
many cryptos with the same sounding names.
Right. Okay. So with this, now this is actually easier for me to do because this could be the sort of the bigger the base, the higher in the space. even though it's a small token, or it's a small base rather. So our AI has always done really well in picking things that aren't moving and then catching them as they transition to a possible gap up. So the good news about this coin is it didn't seem to get caught in the vortex of selling we recently saw. So that's a good thing. And maybe that means it has the possibility of a sharp rise given the catalyst. So, I think big picture at Token Metrics, you've done well if you've gotten on board on some of these things that were just sort of gliding along on the bottom and then popped up. So this is kind of classic altcoin tactics.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Okay. All right. So tell us what you think about all these Uniswap coins, top 10 coins on Uniswap for different time horizon. We shared with you for the year, for the quarter, for the month, for weekly and day traders. Be sure to go to tokenmetrics.com to take advantage of these AI indices, because now you don't really have to rely on trying to do all the research yourself. The AI is doing the heavy lifting for you and also helping you manage risk when the market crashes. Right? Obviously, it's not perfect, but it's better than an average trader, as we've kind of showcased in the beginning of the stream. So be sure to go and sign up, and also tell us that down below which coins you plan to get.